Greetings from Dublin, where in just a few months' time, the air will be buzzing with ideas, explorations and conversations about the music of 19th century women composers. My name is Nicole Grimes and I'm an Associate Professor of Music here at Trinity College Dublin.
And I'm Denise Neary, Doctoral Studies Coordinator at the Royal Irish Academy of Music. We're delighted to introduce you to the Expansive Canvas, our 3-day conference taking place in August 2025, exploring large-scale form in the music of 19th century women composers.
From the 26th to the 28th of August, here and at the Royal Irish Academy of Music, we will be joined by musicians, researchers and industry leaders from all over the world, bringing hidden gems and amazing stories to light. And we'd like you to be involved.
The Expansive Canvas features a treasure trove of fascinating music and stories just waiting to be discovered. We invite you to delve in, explore, imagine and come up with your own creative responses to the music, characters, ideas and stories that you uncover. To help you get started, we've put together an Expansive Canvas creative palette, which will be the jumping off point for your explorations.
We've really enjoyed putting together the creative palette for you. In the document, you will find composers to discover, as well as links to recordings and scores of their music. You can start to uncover the stories of their lives, how they approached creating their music, what they did to get their music out there in the world, and much more.
We've also put together some prompts to get you started on your own creative responses. You can literally do anything. Write a poem inspired by one of the creative palette pieces of music. Create a short audio documentary on the life of one of the composers. Create a piece of music or an improvisation inspired by the music you have discovered.
You could create a drawing, a painting, a 3D piece based on a composer's work, their lives, any aspect of their story. Or what about a film, a storyboard, again based on an aspect of their work, inspired by their life story. Or you could create a sound piece, abstract or descriptive. Anything is possible. As for age limit, there is no age limit. From 3 to 103 and beyond, creativity is ageless.
So how can you go about creating? Like many things in life, often the first step is the hardest. Maybe get together with a group of friends and dive into the life of German composer and entrepreneur Emilia Meyer over a cup of coffee. Listen to some of her music, put yourself in her shoes and let the ideas percolate. Then you might like to have a look at some of the prompts and let your creative instinct take over. Draft down a few ideas, refine them over the weekend, or maybe you'd like to do the opposite and set yourself a specific time frame, maybe 30 minutes, to see what you can come up with.
Once you've created something, we'd love to help you share it with the world. When it's finished, upload it to your own Google Drive or Dropbox and send us the link via the Creative Responses form on the Expansive Canvas website. We'll then collate all the responses and create a virtual publication which will be available during and after the Expansive Canvas conference in August.
For audio creations, we will create a unique Expansive Canvas audio trail around the Trinity College campus. The audio trail is accessible via any smartphone and will be in place until the end of September.
All of the information about where to send your inspired creations is available on the Expansive Canvas website.
We can't wait to see what you create as you discover the lives and music of these wonderful composers. Have fun creating and exploring.